Hi there, my name is Joran from Foleon, and in this video I'll show you how you can fine-tune your content for different screen sizes. You can imagine that your audience opens up your Foleon dock on a wide variety of screens, from a small mobile phone to a large desktop monitor. In this video I'll go over 3 topics: how to switch view modes, which changes affect which view mode, and how you can apply block settings specifically for tablet and mobile. All of these things will teach you how you can make the most of the use of using the view modes to adapt to those different screen sizes. Let's dive in. Right now we're in the Foleon editor, and as you see here on the top of the page, we're now on the desktop view mode, where the content and the columns will be stacked horizontally, so next to each other. Whereas in the tablet and mobile view mode, the content and the columns will be stacked vertically, so below each other. Let's go back to the desktop view mode and let's go to the second page. If I now want to add new content, let's say a text block, I add it to the bottom of the page. As you see in the tablet and mobile view mode, this content will also be added over there, so it's automatically updated across all view modes. And if I change text in this block, it will also change in all of the different view modes. So you don't have to change text in each view mode. So that's a very nice functionality to have. But one thing though that is important to know is that you can change the block order specifically for a view mode. Now I drag it to the top of the page on mobile, but it doesn't change in tablet and desktop. But if I would have done this in tablet, it would have applied to tablet and mobile, but not desktop. So good to know is that the changes to the different view modes follow a certain hierarchy. And for those changes and to learn more about that, I recommend going to the Help Center. Let's go back to the mobile view mode. And let's have a look at the purple block settings bar over here. So there's a purple block settings bar specifically for tablet and mobile, and it's a bit different to the options that you get in the desktop view mode. I just showed you how to move a block. I just showed you how to move the block with this text block right here. Next to that we have the option to replace the background image, which allows you to insert a certain image that really fits the dimensions of that screen. Let's click on it, let's create and select this one. As you see now, the background image has changed from the original one to a new dark blue background. And because I did this in the mobile view mode, it has not changed in either the tablet or the desktop view mode. Again, these changes follow a certain hierarchy, so please go to our Help Center if you want to learn more. Next option that we have is adding a column. If you add a column, which will always be added at the bottom of a block, it will always be added in all of the view modes. So good to know is, for example, here you'll see that there's another column that has been added. While I've added it in the mobile view mode, it's also been added in the desktop view mode. Let's go back. So the next option that we have is hide from this viewport, which is a very nice functionality to have because it allows you to design specifically for a view mode. If I want to hide from this viewport, it will be hidden when people open up this Foleon dock and this page on their mobile phone. And that means that whether or not you show it on the desktop view mode, it doesn't necessarily mean that you also have to show it on the mobile view mode. So that's good to know. Next to that, we also allow you to create and set a certain theme for a view mode. So let's say that you want to adapt different color swatches, a different type of animation, page arrows, specifically for the mobile view mode, then that's possible. So that really allows you to change the experience that your audience has based on the screen in which they open your Foleon dock.